Kevin!
Sorry. I shouldn't have asked you to stay the night.
You've nothing to be sorry about, boss.
He will be fine. Damn! Who does this? Who walks in and burns work? Months of work! I'm sorry, your garment patterns are lost.
I'm sorry. It's not your fault, man.
Someone needed this to happen.
Your next garment patterns will be ready in a week.
Thank you, Daniel. We'll miss the tournament, but it's fine.
Whoever did this will pay.
Cleo!
Tell me no one saw you.
Everything went clean. No one saw me.
Good. Now the Americans won't make it for the tournament.
So, Mr. Lee's fabrics don't matter anymore, do they?
With the Americans out, Mr. Lee's fabrics won't reach major distributors.
So LGW is about to become the next big golf brand in the US? Unbelievable.
Yes, darling. Next month we announce the IPO. Now rest. We'll see you soon. My Cleo, you've been very disciplined. Let's see if you can resist something so easy. Leave some feathers for my earrings.
They torched everything. Patterns, cuts, weeks of work.
No. They sent a message. LGW does not compete. They erase.
Over a golf tournament?
You still think this is golf?
We never even saw them coming.
They are trying to seize my patents, my mills, everything. If Longshua falls, they will control the 60% of fabric global supply.
My laptop escaped the flames. The garment patterns are saved.
Oh, man! You've saved us! We're back in the game!
First they tell people golf has a body type. Now they try burning us out because they're scared of a collection?
Not the collection. They are looking to get all the sponsors and distributors at the tournament.
Exactly.
They burned my office. I think it's time to bite back. I know someone who can give your brand the one thing they can't buy. How do you feel about lakes?
We've to meet Diesel in Milan this evening.
No worries, Como is close. I'll tell her you'll stay at the atelier.
They're staying at your sister's atelier? She hasn't opened those doors to anyone in years.
I already spoke with her. She will support them in the definition of the collection. The atelier is waiting for you. In the meantime, I'll have a moment with Mr. Lee.
Thank you. We'll meet soon.
Welcome, Ologo team. It's a pleasure to have you here. Feel free to relax in your rooms or join us at the bar.
I'll join you later. I need some rest.
We prepared a table for you. Later, Elena will join you to begin the collection.
What a view. Did you see it? That Polo is a disaster. These Polos fight the swing. That changes now.
Tango, welcome to Como. Gianni Belluti, the man responsible for making impossible silhouettes wearable. Patrick Vale, fashion editor, professional destroyer of bad ideas.
Well, it's a pleasure to meet all of you.
So, you want to build luxury golfwear for big men?
No, I'm done pretending big men shouldn't feel lucky just to be included.
Interesting answer.
And most brands make us as they make one version, beige, black, navy. Like confidence suddenly becomes dangerous above XL.
And use solution?
Most polos are designed to look good standing still, but the second you start moving, it's a different story. That polo's about to steal yards from his swing. Watch.
You believe fabric affects the performance of the swing?
I believe bad design punishes movement. Quietly enough, nobody notices. Give me 48 hours to put our prototype on that guy's outside. His golf cart starts looking very different.
That's either genius marketing or a public execution.
Good stories usually start as one of the two.
If you pull it off, this stops being just fashion. This becomes a very interesting conversation.
Amazing. Now, Gianni, let's...
Hello, everyone. Sorry I needed 5 minutes to recharge.
Pinky, glad to finally meet you.
Looks like I came back right when things got interesting.
Yes, absolutely. Gianni, prepare the laboratory. As we build in performance luxury, we choose the fabric composition, the way Formula One teams build engines. Come with me.
Now we are talking.
Slow down. Don't forget precision is queen.
Is this enough?
Exceptional.
Madam, we just got confirmation. Mr. Lee transferred Longshua Textile House. Villa de Marzi acquired the assets.
I think we've reached the part where I stop delegating.
People think fabric begins with thread. It begins with obsession. Tell me, what do you have in mind for the fabric composition?
Cashmere for softness, recycle the polyester for structure, elastane for movement. But these are only some of the ideas that I have.
You've been carrying this one for a while, haven't you?
But you know what I mean? Most big guys don't wear clothes. Pull here, tight there, hike this, adjust that. I want someone wearing this to forget it exists. Think about the swing, not the shirt.
Good. Then show me where the fabric fights the swing.
Right here. Most polos lock the body. The moment you rotate, a bad seam can steal 5 yards and make you think it's your swing that's the problem.
Good. Time to build the prototype. Let's go meet our crown jewel. In this room, we turn sketches into real pieces. Okay, now we insert your garment patterns.
Show that has a stay free through rotation.
All right, I'm defining the specifics, and we are good to go.
Oh man, that's amazing. You have no idea how many ugly polos I convinced myself to like.
Yeah, darling. But from now on, nobody's gonna need to settle anymore. Hello, my sweetheart. I'm just arrived in Como. Lin May, you're here. Tango, Pinky. This is Lin May, great friend and CEO of LGW.
Lin May, I think I've already heard about your company. It's a pleasure to finally meet you.
LGW tends to arrive before I do. But the pleasure is mine, Mr. Tango. Yeah, you've heard of the company. She's also the one behind the fire at the villa.